few days after not coming to the allotment. Just came on a visit to see if anything changed. It's been raining lately, and it was actually not much of a need to come to check on it. But look at this. The thyme grew up so nice. This is fresh thyme. It's amazing. It's like it's brought from home base, and it's been growing since we bought it. Cabbage is also doing very well. It started growing even more and more. Cabbage keeps growing. I have to debug, or how do you call it, the centipede, the cabbage. And the cucumbers are almost ready. I mean, I had a neighbor here coming and saying, you need to cut the cucumbers, they're all ready. Yeah, so I just have to cut them down, but probably I will be doing it tomorrow. Now look at these peppers, man. Beautiful peppers. They're still growing, still with flowers. Oh, also watermelon is doing very good. The tree plants. We ain't got no fruits at the minute, but we'll see if we will get any. How about this one? This one here don't have no fruits either. We'll see how it goes. But got some other plants here, and making flowers, looking good, growing. And this one grew up massive. This is one of the biggest plants we got at the allotment. It is massive. And we got more plants here. They dried up a bit, those. And now let's have a look at the cocomelon. Look at these little boys growing and growing. And there's more growing. Spreading out because it likes to spread out. I'd like it to spread out on the system we made. That is very nice. And look at this. Hello. Hello, Mr. Corn. Hello, Mr. Corn. Hello, Mr. Corn. Hello, Mr. Corn. The corn is growing. It's not too big. The stems are not too big, but it keeps on growing. And what we have here, the Chinese lanterns. I don't know if you guys ever seen Chinese lanterns, but I will show you one in a second. Look at this one. Maybe wipe the lens a bit. Guys, outside is raining, and okay, so outside is raining, and that is what the Chinese lantern is. And most of the plants started having them now. So inside of that, inside of this, it grows the fruit that you can eat. I personally never tried it, but I'm up to try some vegetables. What else do we have here? This is a big one actually. So you can see this big one. Crazy in it, how it grows. It's got a little one here. The little flower. And now this is overgrown again, man. I just pulled everything out and it's overgrown again. Let's have a look at the courgettes. some thing had a little bite on this courgette here. Bless little animals trying to survive in the allotment. And look at that, that's marrow, that is. That's the difference between courgette and marrow is the color. That's courgette, that's marrow there on the other side. And we got more courgettes here. Again, we got only 2 beans plants. Look at this, another big marrow here. Little one. And you see here, that's a big marrow. Courgettes. Yellow courgette, never seen one like that before. And another yellow one there. What the fuck? And let's look at the foxes. Digged out this bush of strawberries, but they caught buck life again. That's very good. The cayenne pepper. They don't have any fruits at the minute, but they do have flowers. We have actually some chili peppers. Might pick them tomorrow. Those look good. And more vegetables here. Some spring onion. And here is the good part of coming to the allotment, man. Look at this. And at this. Obviously, if you leave the strawberries too long, the little critters come and go through all the strawberries. I've seen it with my own eyes. A pigeon was eating strawberries. Does anything beat picking up some strawberries in the summer? Mountain biking. Up. That's a big one, but it has to still to grow. So nice one here. So this is the bush on the right. And there's another one here. That's some bit of an invasion of snails inside, hiding from the rain. If there's any more snails. Okay, one more bush of strawberries and ready to hide from the rain. Wow, so red and nice looking, man. Okay, so these are the strawberries. Looking good. And with these guys, more work tomorrow at the allotment. And this is the allotment.